What is up, YouTube Adventure family? Today we're looking at the Saber S1 here by GhostCat. We're going to dive into these P settings on the menu. So let's go ahead and turn on the bike. Boom. Alright, and then after it comes on, we're going to come over here and we're going to hit the plus and minus button at the same time. Boom. Alright, now we need a password. So our password is 2000. So how do we do that? 1, 2, that gets us a 2. And then we hit this little icon button. And it gets us to the next one. And then we're going to hit 0. Boom. 0. Boom. 0. Boom. Alright, now we're in the settings menu. Now check this out. You go up or down into the settings menu. So, you know, display, whatever. So we're going to look at what we got on display. You can change your trip, imperial metric, 100%. Make sure your voltage is at 60 volts right there. Scroll down, you see just the different settings. Or you change the password if you want to too. But anyways. Alright, now we're going to go to the one that you really want to check out. This is advanced settings. See, I've got assist levels 1 through 5, wheel 30-inch. You could come down here, change your speed, get right there, and then you hit the little icon button, and you could adjust, you know, your speed to whatever you know you're wanting. I think I want mine right there. You come down here, make sure your current level from your amp is where you want it. I got mine at 55 amps. I think you go up to 60, but you know, you could go in and change that to whatever you want as well. I'm going to keep mine at 55. You get in here, speed sensor, leave that alone. Assist number, leave that alone. Assist sensitivity, you know, just depending on what you're going to do on your pedal assist. Right here, your drive mode. You could see you could do pedal or throttle. I've got both. You could change it to just throttle only or pedal assist only. So keep that in mind. So you could change your maximum miles per hour. You could change your amps, your power, all that stuff. You know, just keep that in mind. So I'm going to leave mine at both. Assist grade, you got your start mode. I got 0 start mode. And I'm using a torque sensor on mine. So hopefully, go to the back, down, back, boom, and then you're back. Hopefully that helps you all that were wanting to get that done.